MARKET32 by Price Chopper has these new, well, I don't know if they're new, but my mom picked these up for me yesterday at Price Chopper for breakfast for today. Colossal Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Cookies. I had one yesterday. There's 3 in a box here, as you can see. It's a 3-pack. I had one yesterday. It was really good. And no, it's not like those donuts. Matter of fact, those donuts I'm gonna have to throw out because I put them in the freezer and they're still like all weird. So, I don't know. Maybe I'm not gonna throw them out, but they're still, I don't know. Anyway, see what my mom thinks, because I don't want to throw out food. You know, maybe I don't know. Maybe my sister wants them or something. But anyway, it's not like those donuts with the with them being all like weird looking and everything. It's I think it's like originally like a peanut butter cookie, and they just add chocolate chip and Reese's peanut butter cups to it because it's really good. Definitely worth a 7 out of 10. Really good. Very soft, very flavorful, very good cookies. 7 out of 10. Peace.